Hey everyone, John here from Diode Dynamics. For those of you who may not know, we now carry many of Kuat's DEK roof racks with our SS5 crosslink light bar or all new Stage Series light bars. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to install your Stage Series lighting on your Kuat DEK roof rack. For the installation of the rack itself, please reference the video link down below. Let's get into it. For this install, both the SS5 crosslink and the Stage Series light bar installation process is nearly identical, so I'll call out any differences along the way. If you're working with a Stage Series light bar, start by flipping it over and removing the bottom bezel screws using a T20 Torx bit. Grab the included wind fairing and line it up with the housing, securing it with the replacement screws in a T10 Torx bit. These replace the screws you just removed. Repeat this process for each section of the light bar until all wind fairings are installed. Whether you're using our SS5 crosslink light bar or our all-new Stage Series light bar, the next steps are practically identical. Install the end brackets on either side, ensuring the flat side of the bracket faces forward. Leave these hand tight to allow for adjustment later. With the brackets attached, install the end caps using the black bolt and washer. Tighten with a 5/32 Allen key. Once the end caps are secured, slide the included mounting hardware into the channels. The next step is easiest with a buddy, especially if you're installing a longer light bar. Insert the assembly into the rack and secure it using the included Allen key. With the light bar mounted, grab the included wire hider, hold it to the mounting location, and mark it to length. Using a pair of scissors, trim it down to size. Clean the area and peel the backing from the 3M adhesive to stick it into place. Then tuck the wiring inside for a clean install. Using the correct socket for the vehicle, connect the harness to the battery and route the wiring to the appropriate side. Follow factory-safe routing paths wherever possible. Connect the DT plug and test for proper functions. Adjust the light bar to your desired aim and securely tighten the 4 10mm bolts you loosened earlier. And that's all it takes to install our Stage Series lighting on your DEK roof rack. If you want to learn more about the assembly of the DEK or our SS5 crosslink light bar, be sure to check out the videos linked in the description below. And if you're looking to purchase a complete rack setup, or if you want to upgrade your DEK to a lit version, head on over to diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for watching.